With a seemingly endless stream of podcasts and YouTube videos offering financial advice, it's no wonder that discerning between valuable insights and misleading information can feel overwhelming. Today, I'm sharing tips to help you identify credible sources and make informed financial decisions. Hey everyone, Pat Zumbush here with the 3 Minute Money YouTube channel. Thanks for checking out my video and be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on all my financial education videos. Let's jump right into today's video. As someone who started 3 Minute Money with the primary goal of helping others, I understand the great frustration of sorting through a vast array of content to find the truth. Despite the ever-growing volume of information, there are a few key factors that can help you narrow down your search for reliable advice. Number 1, examine their credentials. It's essential to consider the qualifications of the person providing financial guidance. While celebrity endorsements may be entertaining, they don't guarantee sound advice. Look for individuals with certifications such as Certified Financial Planner, CFP, or Certified Financial Consultant, CHFC, to ensure that they have a baseline level of confidence. Number 2, understand how they get paid. If the expert or their firm is a part of the financial services industry, research how they generate revenue from their services. Visit regulatory websites and check for fee-only listings. In other words, they're compensated solely through client fees, eliminating potential conflicts of interest. Be cautious of commission or fee-based models, as these could indicate that the advisor may receive higher payouts for the recommendations they make on specific investments. And finally, 3, beware of insurance sales. If the financial advisor's firm also sells insurance products, approach them very cautiously. The industry allows CFPs to sell insurance, even if they claim to be fee-only. This can create a confusing situation where an advisor acts as a fiduciary one moment and may not prioritize your best interest in the next moment. To avoid potential conflicts, consider steering clear of financial professionals who also sell insurance. By implementing these 3 best practices, you can improve your chances of finding reliable, practical, and actionable financial advice that helps you to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for letting me help you do wise things with your money. I'll see you next time.